PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
The power is unloaded. Do you understand? Look, after coming in, look at this. Bring your left hand in as well. Does it look like holding the ball close to yourself? What do you do next? Release it. It's like I'm pulling the bowstring fully. Wait, then release the arrow fully. Look, bowstring fully pulled. Arrow released. It's this feeling, you see. Bowstring fully pulled, arrow released. It's this feeling. It's not this. When you step forward, your elbow should not stick out. What do I have more than you? Is that how you twist? Is your hand in front? My elbow is in front. When I go up, although you lifted the racket, your hand is still in front. Is your hand in front? Who's in front now? Where did your hand go? With the elbow sticking out, did it naturally end up to the right of your belly button? Did it come back to your chest? Right. How did you twist? You can step in, but you won't achieve quality like this. Step forward at the same time, with the elbow sticking out. Bring your hand back to take advantage of what? Better hitting distance, while also being able to generate more power. Right? Isn't that the feeling, not this? Your feeling here seems even better than using anti-spin, right? I might deceive you with a fake shot. If you misread the short ball, should I step back first? Just add a slight pause, then make your move. If you give me a short ball, I'll exploit it. That's why my play has to be sneakier. I actively move back to transition. Even if you're using short pips, you shouldn't squeeze in close to the table and rotate. Because if you squeeze in and rotate close, the ball will always be on top of you. Oh, I didn't back off. It looks fast and proactive, but that's a wrong concept. If we really want to rotate and attack proactively, we actually need to retreat to add. Let's start by looping 3 lines normally. Normal straight line. Okay, go ahead, loop another straight line. Try a side spin too. Oh, right. The angle of this ball is very wide. Don't loop because you can't see the angle. For balls with smaller angles, you can loop straight. Right. Feel it out. Don't forget about semi-open table balls. Apply this to other situations. Loop normally, right? Is this useful? Are there many matches? If I don't loop, I can still drive, right? Low arched, correct. Intentional side spin loop beautifully. Think about why my first shot doesn't land on the center line. Because landing on the center line directs it nicely to the backhand corner. It's when this ball bounces up, in the middle of this line and that line. This area is where you handle best. Why? You can play this blind. It lands perfectly in the right position, so either I make you reach out, or I make you avoid crowding. That's why many people serve aimlessly. They mindlessly serve. They feel like it's going down the middle. They feel like it's spinning right to their hand. Isn't that so? How does a smart player serve with left side spin? I just explained that, right? Lean slightly forward, maybe. Small triangle. Maybe. Slightly towards the forehand side. Make him move towards the middle. Instead of serving to the middle on the first bounce, serve to the middle so it curves perfectly into the backhand half, the most comfortable position. Do you see? So left side spin. The tactic is in this area. Your opponent's backhand side is long. You can serve long to the backhand. He hesitates. Next time, if you serve long to the backhand, he can't guard. Right, if you serve long when you move up, then you can hit with the forehand. With this restraint here, if you serve here again, he will be hesitant. Sometimes, if he sees you preparing for a long shot, he might consider that area. That's a blind spot in attention. Juggling priorities. So when playing, what must you do? You must learn to keep your opponent restrained. Can always keep him in a blind spot of attention.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.